Hey superstars, I'm Sue and welcome to my channel, Reviews with Sue. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting our channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sue and I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. So would you like to know what today's unboxing is all about? Well, I have a product to share with you from Amazon. And if you want to know what's inside this box, then just keep on watching.
Doing reviews just like I do. Hanging out with your friends too. It's Sue.
And I'm back, and I have a product to share with you from Amazon. The Amazon seller, Parrior, did send this item over to me free for review so that way I could share it with all of you. So this is the item they sent me over. It is a cordless hot glue gun, and it's currently selling on Amazon for $39.99. Plus, they have one of those little click coupons that you'll receive an additional 10% off. At least that's while I'm filming this. Now, when you watch the video, the prices might change because you know Amazon, sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down, sometimes they go all around, and sometimes they have click coupons where you get percentages off or even a certain dollar off. I am going to leave all their information down below in the description box just in case you want to check it out for yourself. So let me go ahead and get into this box so I can show you my goodies here. Now, this is going to be a cordless one. I already have a glue gun, but it's the kind that you got to plug into the wall, and then it always gets tangled up in projects. So I thought when they offered me this, that this would be a great thing to have. So this is what it looks like inside the box right there. Let me pull everything out. It does come with the glue sticks. I want to say there's 10 in here. Then it does come with an instruction manual right here. We also have the charging plate right there because you can actually set your gun into this and let it charge that way in between uses. And then we have the USB charger right here. So you're going to plug this into the gun and then you are going to plug it into this device. Or if you want to plug this into one of those little converters and then plug it into the wall, you can do it that way as well. And then we have our glue gun right here. Now what's really cool too about this glue gun is it's going to, when you go to push the little trigger here, it can continuously runs. You don't have to keep like pumping it. You just push it once and you just run it along wherever you want something to be glued. So it does say that this takes 15 seconds to charge and be ready to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So this is the on button right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and hold that in, and hopefully it came with a little bit of juice. So, oh, there it goes. You can see right there, it is actually flashing. That is where you're actually going to be putting your glue gun in. And then here is the trigger right here. On the bottom of it right here is going to be where you're going to put your little charger in. Or if you want to put your USB into the back of the charging block, you can do it that way too. And then you can just set it in here in between uses, and then it's going to be sitting up nice and pretty. On a full charge, you're going to receive approximately 1 hour's worth of usage. And then if you set it down on the charger where it's actually plugged in between uses, it's going to continue to charge. So let me leave that alone while it does its little thing there. Oh my gosh. I was talking and look, it's already showing green. So it's like ready to go. Well, let me get into this little instruction manual so we can figure out exactly how to do this. So in the manual right here, I want to see what surfaces this is good for. The glue gun is suitable for bonding paper, paperboard, cork, wood, leather, pottery, porcelain, metal, glass, stone, and other materials. So I think you can pretty much glue anything. So then we have gluing. Insert the glue stick after preheating. Press the trigger to apply the glue on the surface. Keep pressing the trigger continuously to release the glue. No need to pull the trigger repeatedly. Release glue more evenly and smoothly after the trigger is released. The glue stick automatically returns. After applying the adhesive, press the objects together for about 10 to 30 seconds. During the time, the bonding position can still adjust. Change glue sticks. Do not pull an unused glue stick out of the glue gun. In case of forced pullout, the glue gun may be damaged. If you need to replace different types of glue sticks, please finish the old glue stick before inserting a new glue stick. Very, very important. So we do still have a green light right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then right there in the top is where the on and off was. This is the plate where you can actually just pull it from so you can charge it from right back here where it goes into here. That little piece right there actually connects to this, and that's what's going to help keeping it charging. And then, like I said, here's your USB where you can charge it into that, or you can put it in the back of the glue gun itself. So I brought me a cardboard box with me, and I also brought me some ribbon because we're going to test this little baby. So let me go ahead and cut a piece of ribbon. So we have some beautiful spring little flowers right there. So I just cut this little piece off, and then I'm going to cut just another little piece just just for the fun of it. So let me see if I can do this where you guys can see me. So I'm going to kind of shift a little bit sideways. I'm going to pull my gun here that's still in the green, yes, and it says to push it down, and you only have to push it once, and then you can just kind of like pull it right across, if that makes sense. So let's see if am I in the frame here. So I'm pushing on it. Hello, I have to put the glue stick in. Oh, silly me. So here's the glue sticks, and I think it did say it did come with 10 of them here. So now let me put the glue stick in. So I'm just gonna put that, I'm just gonna slide it in there, and I'm assuming that's all you gotta do is just kind of slide it there in the back. And then now I'm going to grab my cardboard box and we're gonna try this again. So I'm just gonna place it here on the surface of the cardboard. I'm pushing it very ever so lightly. And let's see, oh, the glue gun's going in. I can see it moving in. And I'm just kind of waiting for some glue to actually come out. So there we go. So I think it's starting to do something now. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but I am still holding on to it. Oh, there, oh, okay. So we got a little glue going on. So let me go ahead and do this. So, you know, I've never tried this before, so this is like something new to me. So let me show you here. So there is the glue right there. I was kind of messy with it. So let me take my little piece I did here, and I'm just gonna put it on there. And it did say to kind of like hold on to it just for a second. I'm just gonna let it go, and I'm just gonna show you the other way where we can go all the way across. So it did say to release it, because once you release it, I think the glue is still gonna be coming out just a little bit. So let's try it that way. So let me go ahead and get a little closer here. I don't know, is this a better angle? Maybe it is. So I'm just gonna push on it here, and it's coming out. Oh, I see what they're saying there. Oh, and then it stopped pretty quickly. So that actually wasn't bad at all. So then I'm going to set that down. I'm going to grab my piece of ribbon right here, and we are just going to glue my little ribbon right on there. And it did say to kind of like hold it into place. Ooh, I can feel it. It's like actually really warm. So there is that. So I want to try this again because it's kind of fun. So let me cut another piece of ribbon. We're just going to kind of waste some of my ribbon here, but it's great because I'm actually getting the hang of it a little bit now too. So I'm just going to push it there. So then I'm going to pull it out of the little holder that I had it in. I'm going to go like, I'm trying to see where I can show you guys the best angle of this. So let me go ahead. I'm going to push it. I'm going to bring it across. And oh yeah, you can go actually quite quickly with it. So you can see there is the glue on there. I'm not sure if you can see, but I did do a little line right there. And then I did cut another little piece of ribbon. So let me just kind of like stick that on there. I'm going to push it down just a little bit. I know this is like a mess that I'm making right here, but just so you can kind of get an idea of it. So there it is right there. And this top piece here, I'm going to try to like pull it off and see. Oh yeah, look, it's glued. I mean, I'm holding it just by the little ribbon there. So this glue is really sticking good. So that first piece that I put on there, it already works. That is amazing. I think this is really cool. This is going to be a game changer to anyone out there that has those glue guns that actually you have to plug into the wall and then you're always tangled up in the cord. This is going to be so great for that. If I didn't mention, on a full charge, this will last for up to 60 minutes. And then when you put it back on the charger, it will continue to charge. And this is how nice it looks. It's very sleek, very cool looking. You can see it's green there on the back still. And then if I hold in the button right here, let's see on the top, then it should automatically go off, which it did, which is cool. So that's the glue gun. What do you guys think? Do you have a glue gun? Do you need a glue gun? If you do, check the description box below because that's the link where you're going to be able to find this particular glue gun. Thank you all so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. Thank you, Parrior, for sending this item over. I so greatly appreciate it. If I have any giveaways going on, I'm going to leave that link down below in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider hitting that subscribe. A like on your way would be great. And if you have an extra time, hop on over to Instagram. Follow me over there. It's Reviews to Suit, just like my channel name. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. So please be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.